Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on GoTranscript. First, open your web browser and go to the GoTranscript website. Now create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Jobs or Transcriber section and look for opportunities to apply as a transcriptionist. Next, complete the application process. You may be asked to take a transcription test to demonstrate your listening, typing, grammar, and accuracy skills. Take your time during the test and follow all instructions carefully, as passing the test is usually required before you can start working. After that, wait for GoTranscript to review your application. If you are approved, you'll gain access to available transcription jobs on the platform. Now browse the list of available audio and video files. Choose a job that matches your skill level and language abilities. Then download or open the file and begin transcribing the audio into written text. Make sure to listen carefully and follow the client's instructions regarding formatting, timestamps, speaker labels, and transcription style. Accuracy is very important because completed transcripts are reviewed before payment is issued. Next, submit your completed work before the deadline. The better your accuracy and quality scores, the more opportunities you may receive on the platform. After that, continue accepting new transcription projects and build your experience. As you complete more jobs successfully, you can improve your reputation and potentially qualify for higher paying assignments. To increase your earnings, work consistently, improve your typing speed, use quality headphones, and work in a quiet environment. You can also learn transcription shortcuts and practice active listening skills to complete projects more efficiently. Once your work is approved, payments are typically sent through the payment methods supported by GoTranscript. Then keep checking for new projects and continue building your transcription experience. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.